You're dreaming about starting your own lawn care business, but you feel like you don't have time? What if I told you there's a way to grow something amazing working in your spare time? Let's talk about how a part-time lawn care business might just be your ticket to success and how you can make it work. Stick around because I've got some tips that could transform your weekends into paydays. Now, the perks about starting part-time. One of the best things about lawn care is the flexibility. You don't need to jump in full-time to make it work. You've got this flexible schedule, or if you're holding a part-time job, this could be the perfect side hustle. You can start by mowing lawns in your spare time, then slowly build up a client base and see your side hustle grow into something bigger and build it on your own terms. You can test the waters without big risk and transition into a full-time business when you're ready. Now, balancing lawn care with a full-time job, that's a little bit harder. It's definitely a tougher path, but it's not impossible. Lawn care isn't a nighttime gig, so your weekends will become your time to build. So here's a little math for you. A fully booked Saturday could bring you $500 or more, and that's just for one day's work. Use Sundays as your backup for emergencies and overflow jobs, and you've got a pretty solid plan. It's doable, but it takes commitment, organisation and the will to make it happen. So when should you take the leap? Let's say weekends aren't cutting it anymore. What do you do? If your boss is accommodating, you could scale back to a 4-day work week. If this is a no-go, then it might be time to think about saving up 3 to 6 months worth of income before going all in. By then you'll have a good idea how to secure customers and maintain a steady flow of work. It's a big decision, but with the right preparation, it can be the moment your lawn care business truly takes off. Now, before you grab that mower, here are a few things to keep in mind, and these are some quick tips for success. Focus on recurring work until you go full time. One-off jobs are great, but recurring clients are where the true growth is at, like weekly or bi-weekly lawn maintenance. This is what will really grow your business fast. And then have some sort of support system, whether it's your partner, a family or a close friends. Having their encouragement and having them watching your back can make all the difference. Now, starting part-time isn't always easy, but with determination and a bit of strategic planning, you can turn those spare hours into a thriving lawn care business. Now it's your turn. What's your biggest hurdle when starting part-time? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and help you out. Also, if you're ready to take your lawn business to the next level, click the link below and join our free group, Lawn Business Builders. In this group, you'll learn how to grow a lawn business to 10K a month fast without employing anybody or spending a ton on ads. Let's grow together. Let's go out there, mow lawns and have fun, guys. So let's say that you take the leap, but weekends aren't cutting it anymore. What do you do? If you're working full-time, ask your boss if you can possibly scale back to a